Hey, Matt Smith from Sheepdog Response. Just want to reach out to you and talk a little bit about the low-vis waist pack. We're talking about the low-vis waist pack. We get a lot of questions here at Sheepdog Response about the way to use it, the way to wear it, what's the best way to work this thing. And I'm going to tell you, the low-vis waist pack, I hate that I love this thing so much. I wasn't a waist pack carrier for a long time. Well, now that I'm on to the low-vis waist pack, I love it. I don't go anywhere without it. You can do so many things with it. It's a great system. So as far as how to carry the low-vis waist pack, again, you can go with the standard round the waist style. Usually I'll put it around my waist, and sometimes I'll just tuck my shirt over it, and like nice low visibility carry, still easy access. I love it for that reason. You can snap it around and get quick access to everything. It's a regular waist pack. I can still get in and get everything that I need. My gum, my lickies, my chewies, my sunflower seed, my apple, whatever I want in there. But the nice thing about this low-vis waist pack, it's got a beautiful little secret. A, it's lined with high visibility panels, which is great for safety. B, behind this secondary panel, which is the tearaway panel, is the real fun, all right? This way I can pack my weapon system with me and have it with me wherever I need it. It's great for quick access. So as I wear it, typically when I wear it, I'll put the concealment panel up here. That way when I open it and go in for routine things, it's not that obvious that I have a weapon system with me. But typically I'll line the zippers up like this, and I'll pull this zipper across to the far side. So when I go for my draw, I typically reach across with my right hand, get a hold of that big zipper pull and pull it all the way down. That way my hand goes right in and I go right for my weapon system. As I draw my weapon system out, this weapon system, I'll clear it just so that we can see that it's nice and clear. But clear this. This is a compact pistol with a loopholed mini red dot on it. Fits perfectly in the bag, but as you can see here in the example, I can get a full-size pistol in the bag. It's plenty of room for a full-size pistol, but it's nice. I like to reach and draw from this side. That way I can access my pistol. If I do need to change mags, it's got a secondary and even tertiary mag in there, and that's when I go for the other pull it right down, reach in, and there's that next mag if I need to go for the next mag. I can operate completely out of this system right in the front, just like this. So if I put the weapon system back in the holster retainer system, but I pull it away, you'll see it's got a Velcro system so you can orient the holster in any direction, and another retention band there. And then here's your tertiary mag retainer here. And I put the retention panel over. I can drop my magazine back in. That's my go-to mag if I ever need one. I usually carry the pistol plus one, all right? And I close it back up in that same configuration, always putting the zippers in the same configuration. And that's how I carry the low-vis waist pack. The nice thing about the low-vis waist pack is in and out of the vehicle, it's a charm. Because when I get in the vehicle, typically where I normally would appendix carry a weapon, either small of the back, appendix, or hip, it's problematic with the seatbelt. But the low-vis waist pack is not. It's easy. All I gotta do is transfer it slightly to the side. I can belt in. It doesn't get fouled by the seatbelt. I can still have access to my weapon if I had to get in and out of a vehicle. That's what I love about this thing. And then the next big thing is what everybody loves to do with this thing is unhook it, bring it around. And if I'm quick in and out, or gonna be getting in and out of vehicle, going in and out of places, is just go with the old Euro sling. If I Euro sling it like this across my chest, which is a very comfortable way to carry it, still have access to everything, my chapstick, my tourniquet, all my everyday carry items, but same thing. I'm still driving my hand in towards the pistol there. I just grab it, pull it, chunk the hand in there, and I have ready access to my pistol here and my magazine on this side, same thing. So a lot of times I'll just do this, I'll Euro sling it, I'll carry it if I'm getting in and out of the car or going lots of places, I just sling it over my shoulder and carry it like this. It's comfortable, it's an awesome way to carry all your equipment, great way to protect yourself, have your weapon system with you and all the additions that you need. And now announcing all the new colors that it comes in. You asked for it, we got it, we brought it to you. Now we have multiple colors coming your way, all in the Sheepdog Response low-vis waist pack. We love them, I love them. I can't tell you how much I love this thing, and I recommend you get one, practice with it. When we do our Sheepdog Response Vehicle Defender course, we recommend that everybody shoot from the low level, and this is exactly the system that I shoot. I shoot out of this very same low-vis waist pack when we shoot at the Vehicle Defender course. I love it, and I show people how easy it is to use in and out of a vehicle, and they love it too. We sell them by the truckload. I think it's a great system to have. It's great for the family, great for you, and great to protect yourself. Look into it. The Sheepdog Response low-vis waist pack.